What the fuck?
Bruh, look at this dude.
They're the same picture.
Hi, sister!
Alright, film's up. Ready, guys? Let's do this.
Today your ass is gonna die.
I give her this, yeah, man. But that shit straight to the booth.
Where'd you fucking go? Not around here. Say goodnight, motherfucker.
But I could show you how to wield my plow sword.
Are you playing about it, Stiff Spear? You want to lay with me, is that it?
That I do. Will you follow me to a place more comfortable? Will you follow?
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga? I ain't fucking laughing.
Let's do this.
Look at me.
Daddy.
Fuck on me.
Coronavirus!
Skip it up and down. Everyone hang on.
Fine, I guess you are my little pog champ. Come here.
Assemble.
What is that?
They're the same.
Identify yourself. Who the fuck are you?
Killing spree.
Nothing personal, kid.
Bitches are more man.
Somebody be gone! Fuck!
Sing, my ravens.
Suck my tiny dick! Eat a bag of shit!
Let's hear a story.
I do not know what's worse, gay Vikings or those PS1-like animations. I'm kidding! There's nothing wrong with PS1 animations. Metal Gear Solid is one of my favorite games of all time. Look, I'm being facetious, obviously. I do not have an issue with gay Vikings in this game, regardless of how funny and inaccurate it might seem. Because if one Viking told another Viking that he wanted to, quote, lay with him, he would be dead before he could count the 5 pixels in Assassin's Creed Valhalla. But I just want to quickly remind you that they removed the crossbow from Assassin's Creed 1 to maintain historical accuracy. But now in 2020, they're adding unicorns, weird wizards, and storylines that mimic some of the worst Netflix TV shows. By the way, side note, I still don't get how the Saxons are supposed to be the bad guys when they are the ones being invaded. That makes no sense to me. It looks like a Viking-themed mod pack for Skyrim back in 2012. Honestly, it looks incredibly bland, and the game should be called the Bran Flakes of Gaming. Just a mediocre, blatant cash grab. They're very clearly ripping off The Witcher 3 5 years later, and it's still not even 1/5 as good.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
I bitch, you was your mess, ayy. Can't keep my dick in 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 my pants, ayy. My bitch don't love me no more, ayy. She kick me out on life, bro.